Good morning, children. Hope all are fine, and I'm not fine. Why? Yes, I'm getting very less worksheet. All are not sending the worksheets. Maybe I think your parents may be busy with the phone, or maybe some other reason. Whatever it is, it's okay. But we want to make it sure that you all are downloaded the app. So if you are not able to do one worksheet one day, you just message that particular teacher, madam or sir, today I couldn't able to do, I will send it tomorrow, or any whatever I can't do, I will do the next one. Whatever it is, you can just message us. Now you know all the teachers' phone numbers. So today I'm going to introduce you two things. Let's see, this stone and this one. See, what is the similarity between this stone and this scissors? Maybe few members told, yes, stone, see, can you see stone everywhere? Wherever you see, can you see the stones? If you go outside, wherever you look, there will be what? Stone. And scissors, can you see everywhere scissors? No, is it? So the stone is natural. Natural means it can see in the nature. We can see this stone in the nature. Nature means surroundings. You can see the stone in the surroundings. But the scissors you can't see everywhere. You want to buy from a shop. Who is making these scissors? Yes, we human beings are making these scissors. So we can call this scissor is a man-made thing. Man-made. And the stone is the natural. Tell me, this ball is natural or human made or man made? Yes, it is man made. And next, this plants, natural. And next, this mango, natural. And next, see some clip, it is man made. So there are two types of objects, natural and man made. Next, I am going to take two natural things. You have to tell me the difference between these two natural things. This plant and this stone. Both are natural. You see around your surrounding, you can see both stone and plant. But there is one difference. What is the difference between a stone and a plant? Yes, the stone is non-living. It will not live. It is not alive. But the plant is a living thing. Plant is a living thing. So, today's session we are going to discuss about natural things and man-made, living and non-living things. So now you got the 4 points. So natural things are the objects or things can see in the nature is called natural thing. Man-made, the objects what we human made. Or you can say the human made objects are called man-made things. And living, the things which are alive called living things. Non-living, the things which are not alive called non-living things. Next, see this plant. You are saying that this plant is a living thing. And I am a living thing or not? Yes, I am also a living thing. So we both are living things. So why do you say that we are living things? You just say why we told that we are living things. Okay, see. So why do you say that we are living things? See, this ball. You say the ball is a non-living thing. So I am going to do one thing. The ball will do or not, we'll see. What I am doing? I am taking air inside and giving out air. It's called breathing. This ball can do the breathing or not? No. If somebody keep me in a closed room, no windows and nothing, no aeration, so after 3-4 days what happened to me? I will not be there, is it? But if I keep a ball for long days inside a room without any aeration, nothing will happen to this ball. That means ball don't want to breathe, is it? And next one, see, somebody beat this ball. It will do anything? It will cry? No, it won't cry. See, somebody beat me. What happened? I will give back, or I will start to cry. So I am having emotions, or I am giving some response. This beating is a stimuli. What will say? Stimuli, some external force. Beating we can call as stimuli, and this ball has no response. Sometimes we will say, na, my friend has no response. I call many times. Same way, the ball has no response. It won't do anything. But somebody beat me. What happened? I will respond. How I will respond? Sometimes I'll give back nicely, or otherwise cry, or otherwise shout. So some response I am doing. So the living things has a response for a stimuli. Next, see plant. I say plant is a living thing. So plant also gives some response. If I beat plant, plant will beat me back. No, it can't do that. But then also it will give some response. For example, if I am keeping a plant in a full covered box, and only one side the light is getting, you see very well, the plant will grow towards the light, because the plant need light. Plant want light for photosynthesis. So the plant will turn towards the light and grow towards the light. So that is a movement of the plants. Okay, and the root always grow towards the water. Wherever water is there, root grow towards the water. So that is also a type of response. Next, best example is the one plant is called touch me not plant. We just touch it, it will droop. The leaves will droop, and after some time it will again. Okay. So the plants or living things are giving response. And next one is, if I want another small plant, will I get from this plant? Yes. So the plants can give new plants. That's called reproduction. So plants can reproduce the new plants, or we human beings also can do new offsprings or the new individuals, called reproduction. And next one is there. See, so now we discussed about the plants. One, breathing is there, and the plants will move, and plants will reproduce. And next one, see, if nobody giving me food or nobody giving water to this plant, after a few days what will happen to this? It will die, and I too may, is it? So I need food, or we need food. So that is the another characteristics. Living things need food. And next one is, see, see, now this plant only this much size. After few days, if you see, the plant will be the same size, or it will grow well. Yes, it will start to grow, not very big. Some plants growth will be some only this little. Some plants grow very big. So like that, but there will be growth. So growth is the another characters. So today's session we are going to discuss about different characteristics of living things and the 4 types of things. What are they? Natural, man-made, living things and non-living things. And next, characteristics of living things. Characteristics means the features. Why we say one thing is a living or non-living. There are the reasons. So those reasons also we are going to discuss today. So see the videos nicely and response. You are a living thing, so you want to give me response. Madam, I understood this, or madam, I didn't understand this. Madam, I have this doubt. You can WhatsApp me whatever doubts you have and send me the worksheets, and after that I will send the answer key to you. So then you just check it. There will be a lot of mistakes maybe. So those mistakes you just correct it and you learn itself. If you send back the after correction now, I will be so happy. So okay, bye, take care.